Governor Newsom is backing a new $11 billion bond measure. They want to build more homes in California. Josh Altman joins me now. Well, Josh, does this really help build more homes in California?
Stuart, good to be back. Listen, you can finance houses all day long, but you can't finance your way around the red tape. That's the issue. I'm all for more housing, all for more affordable housing. I'm a realtor. I want as many houses as possible. But if it takes too long to build this, the $11 billion is not going to accomplish what they want to accomplish. Let's look at the numbers here. We're looking at 2.5 million houses we are short in California. We need 2.5 million more. We build at about a pace of 100,000 houses a year, and we need to be building at a pace of double that, almost 200,000 houses a year to even keep up with demand. This conversation has been going on for decades. California has the longest permitting timelines and the highest regulatory costs in the U.S. We need to reform the permitting process. That's what we should be concentrating on, not borrowing another 11 billion bucks. We have a saying in our office, Stuart, money builds, red tape kills. Get rid of the red tape.
I like that one. I said a bumper sticker. I like it too. Kylie Jenner reportedly took her $48 million mansion off the market. I believe this is your listing. Is California's wealth tax proposal making it harder to sell these luxury homes?
Well, let's talk about that wealth tax, because I've been pretty vocal as far as that goes, and I do believe it's going to pass. The high net worth individual who's looking at a house, he's not going to like or not like the house because of the wealth tax, but it's starting this greater conversation with we constantly have out there with all of these high-end sales, which is, do I want to be a California resident? Do I want to pay California taxes? And do I want to do business in California? And that is what's stopping people from potentially buying. We have lost some really good buyers. It affects me, of course, because I sell the $20, $30, $40 million houses. It won't affect most people watching this. There are about 200 billionaires in California. And I can tell you, capital is mobile, and wealth has lots of choices. When they leave, what they're going to leave with is a lot of jobs, and I don't like it.
Can you confirm that Kylie Jenner took it off the market?
I can't confirm anything with that property, unfortunately.
In which case, I will not press. But it's a pleasure to have you on the show, Josh Altman. Come again soon. Thanks very much.
Good to see you, Stuart.
You too, sir.